Hello, ma'am. Thank you for giving me a chance to introduce myself and your family. I hope that you keep in a good condition while watching my video. I am Miss Jovelyn Castro Suson, 2 years course agricultures. I am single, 25 years old. I am the third of my family members. I experience work in domestic helpers in country of Kuwait City. They are all adults in family. There are 7. My duties and responsibilities are household works are like I'm assistant cook in my madam. Every morning I prepare breakfast. Then I help my co-maid. Then I clean sala, and also I clean from stairs from up to down.
Okay, so meaning to say, Jubilee, you've been working in Kuwait for almost 2 years, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so for one employer only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then how many maids were there?
There are 2 maids, ma'am.
Okay, so 2 maids, how many members in the family you serve?
There are 7.
7 members in the family. How many children?
They have no children, ma'am.
Maids, they are adults.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how many stories the house is?
6.
6 stories. When this is a very big house.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you can handle how to do your job?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you also cook.
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of food can you cook?
Arabic food, and also I'll make salad.
Okay, so meaning to say you also assist only madam in cooking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so meaning to say you didn't cook your own, then you give it to madam, prepare food
No.
for the madam. Meaning to say most of the time is by the assistant only of madam.
Yes,
Madam
ma'am.
cook the food.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so like for example, if I will give you a menu or recipe, can you manage to follow